Welcome to 18901 Ridgeview Circle and Villa Park, a luxurious 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom estate spanning over 4,300 square feet in peaceful hills of Villa Park. This elegant Tudor-style home sits on nearly half of acre, offering a private heated pool, an outdoor kitchen, and beautifully landscaped grounds perfect for entertainment. Step inside to discover a bright open floor plan with a high ceiling and custom finishes throughout. The spacious kitchen featuring quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and ample seating making it the heart of the home. With a main level bedroom and grand primary suite with its own sun deck and multiple area for living and entertainment, this home truly caters to every lifestyle. Perfectly located near shopping and the natural beauty of Santiago Oaks Regional Park, this property is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. Experience the best of Villa Park living here in